Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation, and today's video we got something special. So it's nighttime right now, and I'm actually at the office putting in work, late day over here. But tomorrow, Tori is coming to the office because she's going to help me with a video that I've been wanting to do. It's something I have to do anyway, because whether or not I was on YouTube doing this, I would still do it even if I didn't have a YouTube channel, and that is mod my new 2020 Jeep Gladiator. So Tori's coming to the office tomorrow, and she's going to take the Gladiator to Honest Speed Shop, which is a custom like Jeep shop, custom car modification shop, and she's going to get quotes on getting the car lifted or getting the Jeep lifted, also getting my wheels and tires put on the Jeep. So I'm going to show you guys the wheels and tires I got selected for the Jeep. So trust me, they're really nice. But I wanted to start out this video because a lot of you guys were wondering why I added somebody new to the channel, Tori, the model. And so far the feedback's been good about having her on the channel, but a lot of you guys are confused. A lot of people are saying, are we dating, or assuming that we're dating. So first of all, we're not dating. We decided to work together, and she agreed to help me with my YouTube channel for situations like this, because I'm working a lot right now. And if it was left up to me, there would be probably no videos getting produced on my channel because I'm so busy with work. And this video is going to be the perfect example of why I need help, and her actually coming through to help me to generate some content for you guys. So yeah, so this is, shout out to Tori for helping me out, and shout out for you guys for watching the channel and subscribing. And those who have not subscribed, make sure you do subscribe, because I think you're going to enjoy this build series with the Jeep. And of course, we're going to be doing some cool stuff with the Lamborghinis that are in the garage. Currently got the Gallardo for sale, have the Lamborghini Aventador. It's going to have some mods coming up here within about a month, and the Lamborghini Huracan. I just went down to Miami over the weekend, and I got some video footage from my trip down to Miami and an update on the Lamborghini Huracan and what we might be doing with that. So it's gonna be pretty cool. So just wanted to say, I want you guys to understand why Tori's on the channel, and she's really helping out. She's pushing me to do some of these videos as well. She's enjoying it, so I hope you guys enjoy her helping out as well. And she is going to be, taking the Jeep over, checking out what the mods look like, talking about the mods, talking to the people that are going to do the mods, and then we'll talk about what I want to do. All right, so stay tuned. Drop a comment if you got any other ideas on the Jeep mods, and what you might like to see Tori do as well on the channel, because I'm super busy, man. If you guys can see my it's my like to-do list. It's crazy to-do list back up there. All these papers right here. I'm sure you guys don't want to see videos about that. So yeah, you guys should be thanking Tori as well. All right, so don't get it twisted. We're trying to produce content. We're trying to keep things interesting. So we appreciate you guys tuning in, sticking with us, and let's go. Oh yeah, another update. I've actually got my property, the flip that I was working on, Project Aventador, is on the market, and big news on that.
You remind me of someone, but I'm not gonna mention who it is. The guy who introduces his welcome to my garage. Knowledge!
Will Motivation. Will Motivation.
You're watching Will Motivation. Here is where we create, educate, and motivate. Welcome to Will Motivation.
Alright, so are you recording? Alright, so here's what I need help with. So what I need you to do, if you would, really appreciate it, is take the Jeep over to the guys at Honest Speed Shop. We need a quote on getting the car lifted, or getting the Jeep lifted, like about 3 to 4 inches, front and back. Okay, because I want to keep the rake So basically, I want to, right now the back is a little higher than the front. So I want to make sure when we lift it that the back stays higher than the front. And then I have some side running boards, like the little steps that you add to the side of the Jeep. I already have some, so I'm gonna ask that they put those on for me as well. So they have to put a quote for that. And also mounting and balancing the tires on the rims that I got. Okay, because I got some tires and I got some rims. So I'm gonna show you guys those rims in probably the next video. But so I want them to do that for me as well. Okay, and they're gonna need sensors and stuff in them too. All right. So I think that's it for now. So when we go over there, we want to put the running boards on there. We want to put the wheels and tires on there. And we want to lift it. That's like stage one of Jeep.
Stage one.
Yeah, stage one, Jeep Nation. Hashtag Jeep Nation. Hashtag lit. Hashtag thanks.
Hi guys, it's Tori. I'm helping out Will and I'm getting a quote from, I forget what the place is called, but I will tell you when I get there.
Okay, folks, so Tori just left to take the Jeep Gladiator to on a speed shop. So they're going to check out the mods. So Tori, make sure you drive safe and see you when you get back. But big shout out to Tori because she's actually helping me out. A lot of people wondered why I have a new person on the channel helping out. It's for cases like this because I'm sitting here busy working on this stuff over here and paying bills and, you know, handling events. So if it wasn't for me having Tori to help me out, then this video will probably take another 3 weeks to get done. So that's what's happening. All right, so big shout out to Tori, and you guys enjoy the video.
Okay, stop for gas. And I just need to review in my head what Will told me as to what I'm asking for and what we're getting a quote on. So I'm going to be practicing while I'm pumping gas. I don't think I'm going to do that outside because people might look at me like I'm funny. Okay, so to remember, Will already has the tires and the rims and the boards to step up on. The only things that we need are the air tire pressure lift, 3 to 4 inch lift, because you can never have enough lifts, right? I mean, I wear heels, you can't have enough lifts. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna head in here and try to find the people at Honest Speed. So let's go see if they're available. Main entrance, welcome. Visitors enter here. Yes, I can read everyone.
Oh, you're fine. Thanks for coming in.
Yes.
I saw it. I love that color. You guys
Yes, I love it too.
Yeah.
We can go look at it if you want.
Cool,
but
yeah.
we go.
Crashing. That's pretty
Yes.
cool.
Yes, so there she is.
They're cool, but after you lift them and put the right wheels and tires on,
It'll be,
they look a lot better.
yes.
I love that color. We just did a Rubicon, so JKU, so just the 4-door, not the Gladiator one. That looked really good.
Yeah, so he already has the tires for it and the rims and the, whatever it's called, the baseboards to step on. That he needs that installed and then it lifted like 3 to 4 inches. So that'll be like the first step in modifying it. And eventually we'll do a few other things, I'm sure. Do you have any suggestions as to anything else?
Yeah, I'm sure we do. I know in your video you mentioned maybe a tonneau mover too.
Yeah.
So we carry all the major brands for any kind of truck and Jeep accessory. We have some of the smaller ones too, the independent ones. So we have one of the best Jeep techs actually in the area, Kyle Davis. So you'll meet him. He'll have a lot of suggestions. He's built a ton of these. So
Okay.
he did most of the installs with a couple of other businesses in town. So we're lucky to have him. He's
Yeah.
got quite the following. The club, there's a big Jeep club called Mid-Ohio Jeep Organization, Mojo. They call themselves.
Mojo.
There's like 8,000 members, so they're an awesome group. They all kind of come here now. So
That is so awesome.
yeah, bought the property about 4.5 years ago. So
Okay.
it's a good spot. People seem to like us here. this is
Hi,
Tori,
Kyle.
right?
Yeah, Tori.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
She's got Will's Gladiator here, so we're just kind of showing her around, and we're gonna put a quote together. This is Kyle's Jeep.
Okay.
We're trying to get ready. There's a big off-road expo next month, Dayton Off-Road Expo. He's putting the LS 6-liter in it. It's pretty serious off-road. He fabricated all the suspension and stuff like that. He's built like rock crawlers from the chassis up. So.
Wow. Oh, Will also said that when we lift it, he wants the back to stay higher.
Yes, he did say that.
What is the purpose of that?
The rake,
Yeah.
generally in any truck is because you put stuff in the back.
Okay,
when you
so it's
load
already
stuff in the
gonna
back,
lower.
So it kind of lowers itself out. If it was level, it would kind of sag.
Yeah.
If you put
Gotcha.
stuff
That
in
makes
there.
sense.
Yeah.
Okay.
But a lot of people like to keep it. We just built like an Overland. It was a Rubicon JKU.
Okay.
And they're out west right now, and they have like their tent and all their stuff. And so they're riding like this, so we're probably gonna raise the back.
Yeah.
But this is my old Scout. A lot of people think they're Broncos or Jeeps, but this is an International Scout that International Harvester built like 60s through about 1980. Then they killed that part of the business.
Okay.
This was actually starting life out in Moab as a rental vehicle. So,
Okay.
and then we found it in a collection in Idaho, and we had a place out in Bend, Oregon, Binder Boneyard, get it for us and do a little resto mod. Put a lot of the parts that we carry, like rigid lights, fuel wheels, BF Goodrich tires, JW Schaefer LED headlights, Schmidt-built seats, vibrant component, exhaust, WeatherTech liners. And I actually drove this from Bend, Oregon down to Southern California, Johnson Valley. They have a big off-road endurance race called King of the Hammers. So we just bounced around there. That was pretty fun. So another thing I know Will was concerned about was losing power due to the bigger, heavier wheels and tires and stuff like that. Kyle is a gear expert, so we do a lot of re-gearing with different ratios, so you don't lose that power, so the engine stays in the power band with the different gear ratios. So that's another good option that a lot of people do, especially in the Jeep community, go into the bigger wheels and tires. So. Another thing that Will might want to look into is a lot of people like to change the lights to LEDs, headlights, tail lights, fog lights, and a lot of people like to put these what they call rock lights. They're like Kyle just turned them on. So if you are off-roading, at night you can see the obstacles that you're going over. I don't know how much Will is planning to take his off-road, but a lot of people just like to do it because it's kind of cool too.
Yeah.
So, that one changes different colors. It does strobe lights and stuff like that. So we build everything from like they call them mall crawlers that don't really go off-road, or to the hardcore like Kyle's here. So.
Yeah.
We kind of focus on a lot of like old classic niche cars, Typhoon and 99 E55 AMG. These are all for sale. 95 Viper, last of the first gen. That's a fun one. That's a 72 914. So
Nice to meet you too.
Zach.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So these guys have been detailing our cars for about 5 years. They had a home-based business, and they're basically going to share this space with us.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they do a great job. Anything from paint correction, ceramic coating to basic details. So
Yeah.
awesome job. So and they're starting to do, especially with the truck and Jeep guys, it's something called fluid film.
Yeah.
So you
it's-
can
Tell me
spray-
about it.
Yeah, so it's like a rust preventative coating. It's not rubber based, so it won't trap moisture underneath the car and make it rust out. It wears off after about like a year of use, and then you have it reapplied. But it's pretty good for keeping like salt and other like water from penetrating like the frame and other metal parts underneath the car.
So this red one's my baby. It's an 88 911 hot rodded. It's had a lot of work done by a partner shop called Craftworks. It's got a 3.6 swap out of a newer 964 911 like this. A lot of the fully adjustable suspension. I used to track it. It's just kind of a fun little hot rod street car now. And this we just got. It's a 90 964 Carrera 4 Cabriolet, pretty rare. Blue with the white. This is gonna be for sale this spring. It's fun, but Porsches are what my passion is. Hi, I'm Jeff Glancy. I'm the founder and owner of Honest Speed Shop, And our goal is to help you enjoy what you drive, from your Jeep to your truck to your car, your track car. We carry most of the major brands. We're full service, from floor liners to full out builds, lift kits, lowering kits, power adders. We do it all. We also have full detail services, and we also buy and sell and trade vehicles, so we can help everyone enjoy what they drive.
Hi, I'm Jason with Honest Speed Shop. I do the sales here at Honest Speed Shop, and looking forward to see you in your Jeep, truck, car, whatever you got. We hope you enjoy what you drive, and we just want to make it look better.
So our ultimate goal is to become a manufacturer of performance parts, and then be an OEM tuning company like an AMG, Roush, Saline. And then our ultimate goal is to build our own cars, become our own manufacturer of specialty vehicles. So we have high hopes. So,
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
yeah.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah. Have a good day.
You
Nice
too.
meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Wow, that was so much fun. They are so great, and they seem like they do a really good job at Honest Speed Shop. They really know what they're talking about, and the people who work here are like the best. So definitely, if you're considering doing any modifications for any trucks or Jeeps or really anything, then definitely look into them, and I'm sure we'll put links in the YouTube video.